All right. So let us start the session. Let me prepare running notes for you. We are done with this topic, right? Okay. Today the topic will be, it is ML only, machine learning only. And we are planning to use one hot encoding. What topic actually? One hot encoding, we'll see. So the very first one, did you install PyCharm? You are able to work, I guess. Am I right? If you're not installed, please do that one on high priority. This is upcoming topic. This one also upcoming topic. This I need to continue today. Yeah, then let us start. Good. Currently, I hope we're done with the Python, pandas, and currently the main running topic is the machine learning. What is the topic? Machine learning. Keep in mind that by using machine learning, we are trying to learning only one thing. What is that one? How to create a model, how to create what exactly? Model. And once we created a model, how to do the prediction, how to do what exactly? That's it. The ML purpose is creating a model, nothing but creating an algorithm. Once the algorithm is created, we can do what exactly? That's it. There is a process. That process you need to understand. What is the process actually? Would have a mainly 7 steps from the importing library to till prediction. And ML flow. What is ML flow, sir? Generally, we'll get a data from company. Then what we need to do? We need to create a data frame. We need to create what exactly? Data frame. Next one is what exactly? Array. And the next one is what exactly? ML algorithm. ML what exactly? Algorithm. I hope anyone having any doubts in this flow? I'm pretty sure you understand, I guess, right? Good. Yeah, here, what exactly I mean to say that definitely once company have given the data frame, what we are using? Pandas. NumPy, what we are using? NumPy. I mean, array, what we are using? NumPy. By using NumPy, we are creating ML. What we are using? Machine learning. I kind of some ML algorithms actually. Scikit-learn. Can I say this one? Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn actually. These are all a kind of some predefined library. Now, keep in mind that today we are going to understand kind of some simple linear regression only. But now let me tell you, we got a data. We got what exactly? Data. The very first one what we need to understand is ML algorithm. So like to work with numbers data. What data? Numbers data. Right, good. So you may ask a question, hey Daniel, there is a data having string actually. There is a data having what exactly? String. Sorry. No, we should not provide string data to the ML algorithm. We should not provide string data to what exactly? ML algorithm. Then what we need to do? It's a very simple. Now here, we do have a column number 1. Next one is column number 2. Next one is column number 3. This is the number data. This one is number data. This one is string actually. This one is what exactly? Instead of string, can I say categorical data? What data? Yeah, very good. Now what we need to do, Yeah, very good. Here, we just need to apply one technique. The technique name is called as a, talk with me, feature engineering. What is the topic? By using feature engineering, exactly we need to take C1, C2, C3. And first one is what data? Number. Second one is a number. Third one is categorical to number. We need to convert actually. What we need to do? We need to convert. Let me show you today how it is possible. This is the flow. Can I get a response? Are you getting? Good. So the point will be, we are going to get a data. Yes, data having, there are three columns. Imagine there are three columns. First column is the number. Second one also numbers data. Third one is categorical data. Yeah, it is okay. Categorical data, can I give directly to the ML algorithm? Categorical data, there is no problem with the pandas, but that is not a problem. There is no problem with array also, but there is a problem with what exactly? ML algorithm. Ultimately, whenever you are doing processing, don't think about current situation, think about ML algorithm perspective actually. Can I get a response? Yeah, good. That's why I just wanted to tell one thing actually. When you are working with the Titanic data set, what data set? Titanic data set, survived column, they have given 0 or 1 instead of yes or no. Did you understand? Yeah, keep in mind that. In a straight away, I hope yesterday I have given introduction actually. Now let us start the session. This is just 10 to 15 minutes topic, sir. What is the topic? Dummy variable and one hot encoding. Okay, dummy variable and one hot encoding. So please focus. Yeah, there is a data set having the data set name is a home prices.csv. First of all, let me tell you, we already having a data set area and price. We know in our data set, if you are having only area, only price, that is okay. But along with this one, sir, which one is the feature? Area is the feature. Price is a target. One more column we do have. I just wanted to know the prediction for the area, and at the same time, I just wanted to give location also. I just wanted to give what exactly? Location. Do you think people will buy randomly? No. So people will buy Dilshuk Nagar, Amirpet, KBHP. These are all things actually. I'm taking certain location in Vijayawada location, street number 1, street number 2, street number 3, street number 4. All things I mixed actually. Good. Keep in mind that. How many unique values would you have? 3. What are these unique values? Vijayawada, Guntur, Gudwada. According to the alphabetical order, which one is the first? G, there are two, sir. Tell me, Gudwada. Yeah, very good. Keep in mind that. Why I'm telling you know, keep in mind that actually. Good. I covered this one yesterday, right? Can you please walk through? We'd have a, when I say the string data, like a categorical data actually, nominal data, ordinal data, nominal, no order, ordinal, there is an order. Yeah. Here town column having the text data. Town column having what exactly? Text data. How to handle text data in a numerical model? How to handle text data in what exactly? Numerical model. Hold on. It might be a common question for you. Hello, Daniel. I do have a data having only numbers, man. Only what exactly? Numbers. Go to the machine learning. Go what exactly, sir? Machine learning. I do have a data. I do have what exactly? Data. Only text data. Only what data, sir? Text data. Go to NLP. What is the topic name? NLP means natural language processing. On an average, some 3 to 4 sessions. I'm going to cover that one also with a highly advanced library that is called as a Spacey. Keep in mind that when we are talking about the numerical data, ensure that machine learning algorithms works very well. And when you're talking about the text data, hey Daniel, I have only text data. I don't have any other thing actually. Then go for what exactly? NLP. Keep in mind that. Right, good. Yeah. So how to handle text data in a numerical model? Model may behaves like this, assuming that we have taken Vijayawada, Guntur, Gudivada. Just for randomly, I'm saying Vijayawada is the number 1, Gudivada is 2. I'm sorry, Guntur is 2, Gudivada is 3. Randomly I have given. Then if you are giving this data to the model, assuming that, sir, these 3 we have given to the small kid actually, a 5 years kid. What is a kid? 5 years kid. And that kid can do small calculation. What is the calculation? 1 plus 2, what is the result? 3. Means indirectly he is understanding Vijayawada plus Guntur equals to what exactly? Guduvada. But invalid scenario. What scenario? Invalid scenario. 1 plus 2 is 3. That is okay for the numbers. But at the same time, what you are adding actually? Indirectly, these two values you are adding. Right, good. If you are giving data to the model, then model assuming that the order like 1 2 3 and follow the below scenario. Yeah, it will think like, this one less than, this one less than, this one less than. But frankly speaking, against actually, against in the sense Vijayawada is the bigger one rather than Guntur and Gudivada actually. Are you with me? And Vijayawada plus Guntur also what exactly? Gudivada. Right. Now we need to apply dummy variables topic. What topic, sir? Dummy variables. I trust you guys done feature engineering practice. If you're not done, that is okay. I can remind you one more time today actually. Can I get a response? Good. Let me show you. Sir, in a very simple way, what we need to do, according to the order, which one is the first actually? Gudivada, Guntur, Vijayawada, right? These columns will come according to that. Now, Gudivada 100, where are all Gudivada location is available? 100, 100, 100. We already have seen. Next, Guntur, talk with me. 010, Vijayawada 001. I would like to say this is code and decode actually. This is what exactly? Here, good word is the code. Decode is what exactly? 100. That point you need to understand. This kind of example we already have seen in a feature engineering. It's a practical example. There, I explain. Come on, please don't talk during session. Let me be in my flow. There I explain how to convert into, so like a ones and zeros actually. Now here I'm explaining how we can work with this scenario in a machine learning. Come on, let's continue the discussion. Let us just try to work on this. During session, requesting please be silent, sir. If you are having any further discussion, you can please go outside and you can discuss and you can come to the session. Thank you. Let's move on. So the first one is purpose. What is the purpose? We are just trying to understanding one hot encoding. What is exactly one hot encoding with ML topic? What topic, sir? ML topic. Good. Can somebody tell me what is the first step actually? Good. I hope still you remembered actually. Importing libraries. Step number 1. Sir, many guys are thinking it will be delayed. No, once we done with the Python, I'm sure Pandas you are feeling more comfortable. Am I right? But Pandas 21 topics actually. 21 topics we covered on an average 7 to 9 sessions actually. I mean 10 sessions. Same thing like that. Once you understand machine learning, all other topics are very easy. Very easy. But you need to remember all these steps actually. Deep learning completely depend upon these 7 steps. So what are the 7 steps? What is the first one? Importing library. Second one? Yeah, hold on, like this. If you remember this one, in deep learning one extra step will come. That's it. Can I get a response? Good. Please focus. Importing library, very easy. Deep learning is very easy. Step number 2. Tell me. Loading the data set. Let me just try to print this. I hope if I run this example we'll get a file not found error. Home price is 2. Yeah. Let me run this. Yes, exactly. Good. Town column, area column, price actually. This is the data we do have. It's okay. Fine, sir. Let me just try to take only few columns actually. Control Z. Array man. It is okay. Let me take 2 actually. Let me just try to format the things. There is a reason why we are doing this. Hold on. It is okay. Ignore the index as of now. Now this data Assuming that we do have a data set and we created a data frame. We created what exactly, sir? Data frame. Am I right or not? Successfully we created a data frame. Once we created this data frame, now this data frame we need to ultimately this data we need to give what exactly? ML. We need to give what exactly? Ensure that whenever you are giving to the ML area number, it is okay. ML algorithm will not tell anything. Price, it is number, it is okay. But what is this one, sir? Yeah, town column, please don't give to the ML. Don't give what exactly? ML. ML algorithm won't accept actually. Then what we need to do? Town column, kindly please convert into numerical data. What data? Numerical data. Then you can give to the ML. You can give what exactly? ML. That's what we are doing actually. Are you getting? Yeah, good. So to convert this into numerical data, you need to understand feature engineering. In a one step, we can do that. It's a very simple. Creating a dummy variables by using pandas. Simple, sir. There are many other techniques. Don't think like not only one thing actually. I have a question for you. Can somebody talk with me? Is it method? Very good. How can you say? Because we are calling by using package. By this time, it should be your bread and butter actually. Which one is a function? Which one is a method? If you don't know which one is a function, which one is a method, sorry, you are unfit for the data science. You are unfit in a straight away. Let me tell you. Good. Why? Because these we are working since a long actually. 1947 we started this batch. When we started actually, good, come on. PD dot get underscore dummies. There is a function on which column we need to apply, sir? Town column. Df dot town series we can apply. What we can apply? Series we can apply. Let us just try to apply here. Step number 2. What exactly we are doing? Step number 2. Step number 3. Can somebody talk with me? What is this one? Data preparation. I would like to say 3A. 3A. Good. Now you can just try to come here, sir. There is a column I have created. I mean, there is a variable pd dot get underscore dummies df dot town actually. If you want, what you can do, you can just try to print only dummies. Print only what exactly, sir? Dummies actually. Let me show you. Control Z. Sorry, required that one. Yeah, please observe this one, sir. Importing the libraries, loading the data set. In data preparation, wow, libraries got updated, sir. Talk with me. What we supposed to get it actually? 001 100 something like that we need to get actually. Am I right? Might be. Then come here, go to the Google, take this function. Don't worry, take this function, giving boolean result, boolean values actually. Stack Overflow. But I need might be the package updated. Don't worry. Why it is get dummies returning boolean values instead? Good. 3 months ago. Okay, seems to be small updates happen. Got it, sir. This is the solution. Come here, check it. Now run the code actually. All right, fine then. Sir, there is a function. Function name is called as what exactly? Get underscore dummies. Till previous batch, the same code works. I mean, the recently, even you can notice actually when it was updated happened. 3 months means, you are almost the documents I didn't touch almost last 2 to 3 months actually. The point will be here they are providing df dot town along with this one. Talk with me. My favorite syntax. What is that one? D type equals to, by default, this function is giving boolean as a result. I don't want boolean as a result. I need what exactly, sir? Integer value. I need what exactly? Integer value, right? Simple. Always, you have to depend upon Stack Overflow. If something is not working, don't be hurry. Stack Overflow helps you actually. It takes some time for you to understand, right? What is a Stack Overflow, how to apply. Okay, let me take this code. Even I will update the material, don't worry. Good. Let's move on very quickly. One final call to online team. Online team, are you following? I hope you are following. Good. Let's continue. Let's continue, please. Sir, please observe this one. Can I say in the given result actually, this is the separate data frame, this is the separate data frame. Both are separate actually. Can we merge this one and this one? Who can merge? What exactly we are doing, I'm taking this dummies data frame. Whenever you are calling this function, it is returning data frame. It is returning what exactly? Let us just try to merge this one and this one. Let us just try to merge what exactly? Df and dummies actually. Okay, how to merge, by calling one function. Function name is a concat, pd.concat of this kind of example where we covered actually. Any idea? Concatenation. I hope we need to take a small list, inside list to data frame 1, data frame 2, and you can just try to provide the syntax here. Take this example. We are just trying to, again, this one is a feature engineering step. Ultimately we need to print merged data frame. What data frame, sir? Merged data frame. Get ready. Look at the output actual. Interesting. Interesting. Finally, uh, data frame is ready. What is ready? Data frame is ready. Go talk with me. Area input variable kind of feature actually. Guduvada feature all number. Gunturu feature all numbers. Vijayawada location number 3 all feature. Is it really required? Then what we need to do? Drop. That's it actually. Based on requirement and situation, which one is required, which one is not required, we need to decide actually. Hello boss, this we got it from this column only, then there is no use of this column. There is no use of this column. Are you getting? Simple. Then the next step is we are simply dropping merged dot drop. Can I ask a question? Is it function? Very good. How can you say? What is object here? Nice. Enough. Enough actually. You will become data scientist. Take this one. See, like this you need to work out, sir. Slowly by slowly. Now we are ready with the data. We are ready with the data, sir. Get ready. Next step, can somebody guess actually? Data preparation, like X and Y. Feature and what exactly? Target actually. Am I right? Good. Come on, let's move on. To do that one, what we need to do now, please observe here. We are dropping price. We are dropping what exactly? We came across this is the final data frame. Area is the input. Gudivada, Guntur, Vijayawada is the inputs actually. Price is what exactly? Output. Kind of some target variable. Then do one thing. From this data frame, separate this one. Separate this one. Am I right? Good. Exactly. X equals to final dot drop of price. Y equals to final price. This is data preparation. Delete these are all stuff, man. Data preparation. Here I would like to say FE. What is the topic name, sir? FE means nice. Let's move on. Read everyone. What is the first one? Importing libraries, loading the data set, data preparation. FE means feature engineering. Next one is a data preparation. When I say the data preparation, here what I can write, X comma Y. X means input, Y means output. X means feature, Y means target actually. Like this you should understand, sir. Once we loaded data, what we can do, what we cannot do, you need to understand slowly by slowly. Okay, step by step. Generally what other trainers they will do, they will make it this one is a separate step. Faculty to faculty, that is a different. Some faculty will tell this is the step number 4, step number 5, or step number 3, step number 4. It is okay. Ultimately we are going to get the output actually. Keep in mind that. Take this example. Let me just try to add into your running notes. Hold on, sir. Go to the code actually. What is the package name? What is the package name? Pandas. What are all keywords? Importers. What is alias name? PD. What are all the functions actually? Read underscore CSV. Next one. Get underscore dummies. Next one. Concat. Next one. Print. Print is common actually. you're neglecting Python, please. Methods. drop. That's it. Very good, man. Data frame objects names, tell me. Data frame object names. DF, it is okay. Next one. Dummies, next one. Merge, next one. Final, next one. X, next one. That's it. You need to understand. These are all stuff actual. Seems to be the names are quite different, but all are belongs to data frame objects. Seems to be we created a on an average. We are playing with on an average 5 to 6 objects. Back end, what exactly happened, sir? This point you need to understand. First object, what is the first object actually? Data frame. It is okay. First data frame object is created. Data frame object is created. From this data frame object, we are getting dummies. We are getting what exactly? Dummies. Am I right? We are using this one here actually. Then what is object we are getting? Dummies. Now just try to come here and make it. This is another object actually. This object we got it from where exactly? DF. That connectivity connection you need to understand. It is okay. And what is the next object actually? Merged. DF also here also. Merged data frame. One more data frame. Now please keep in mind that now from this data frame we got one more object. What is that object actually? Merged. Good. Like this. I mean, it is rounding actually. Now talk with me. What is the next one? Final. Final. Yeah, from the merged. When I say final data frame, this object coming from where? Yeah. That connectivity you need to understand. Right, good. Now go to the diagram. Like this you need to draw, sir. Yeah, let's take this one. From this we are getting an object. That object name is what exactly? Tell me, sir. Final. Now, yeah, from this final, what we are getting? X and Y. Right, good. Now just try to come here. X and next one is what exactly? Y. That's it, man. That's it actually. X we are getting, Y we are getting. Ultimately, what is the parent object? The parent object is a DF. What is the child objects here actually? X and Y. Sir, you know what? There is one role, architect. AI, what exactly? Architect. He can draw this kind of diagrams. Which object is depending upon another object? What is the use actually? And ultimately, now here onwards, these two are important, frankly speaking. These are all not at all required. But this X and Y, we got it from this one only. Ultimately, once we use it actually, it's like a trash. It's like automatically flush actually. Garbage collector will come. In Python backend, once GC module is available, that GC module will come. It will delete all DF dummies merged final and it will make it allow X and Y. It will make it allow what exactly? X and Y. Are you getting? Good. All right, let's move on. Like this, you need to draw, you need to learn slowly by slowly diagrams also. Let me drink water. Guess the next object. Guess the next object. I will cry, sir. Yeah, good. What is the next object? Yeah. Now, do you think model is depending upon the DF actually? Now this is again individual object. This is again what exactly? Individual object. Yeah, separate object is created. Like this. By looking at the program, you need to understand. When I'm looking at the program, my perspective, my way of looking at the diagram is like this. Okay, it is coming from that one, coming from this one. These are all stuff actual. Okay, fine, cool. Let's move to the discussion. Where are we? Data preparation we done. Yeah, I would like to say this is the data frame. I'm sorry, this is series, sir. This is what exactly? Series, sir. Why is the series object? Why is what exactly? Series object. Cool. Move to the next one. Next one is a model creation. What is the next one? Model creation. Come on, take this line. Step number 3. What is the step number 4? Any idea? Splitting the data. As of now, can I make it optional? Splitting the data. Splitting the data set actually. But what is the by default ratio for the splitting data set? 70-30. What is the function name? Train underscore test underscore split. How many variables it returns? 4. First one, x train, x test, y train, y. Sir, damn sure important interview question. Keep in mind that. As of now, let us make it this one is an optional. Though you are taking training, it will be easy for you. But there are few other students actually, they're self-learners. They're what exactly? For sure, for them it is difficult to remember these raw stuff. So generally our education system, since our childhood actually, if a mentor is explaining, learning, then you can grab the things very quickly. You can think in different dimension also. But a self-learner cannot grab these raw stuff actually. I used to tell always one point. What is that point? My favorite syntax. What is that one? Keyword. Then a self-learner don't know this point actually. That's what, you know. Whenever for learning, joining with one mentor is really good actually. I can tell this one. Even I lent big data from one of my trainer. Big data. Don't think like him. Even I was a self-learner, but at the same time, I should join. Best examples are why PhD. You know about the PhD stuff actually. So that faculty is supposed to work with one PhD professor actually. When you are working with one person, you can gain a lot of knowledge. You can gain a lot of knowledge. Anyway, we are going out of the box actually. Step number 5, model creation. Step number 5 is what exactly? Model creation. Done. Let us do the model creation very quickly. Sir, step number 6 is what exactly? Model training. Model dot fit method. What method? Fit method. Good. Here, what I need to provide? X comma y. X dot values. Tell me X dot values. Ensure that whenever you are providing input should be column format. Otherwise, you will get a warning actually. If you want, you can run the code. You will get a kind cool warning. No warning, sir. It is okay. During prediction, we'll see. Yeah, sir. Now let me tell you. Hold on. Let me just try to print. I just need to print what I need to print. Final data frame. I need to print. What I need to print, sir? Final data frame. Just give me 1 minute. I will tell you what exactly I'm trying to tell you. Sorry, man. I need merged, sir. Yeah. Now keep in mind that uh, I'm planning to do the prediction. What I'm planning to do the prediction, look at my screen. Look at my screen very clearly. So can somebody talk with me? Definitely. When I say talk with me, Vijayawada, what I need to provide, sir? Zero, not 001. Where exactly? Vijayawada. Yes, sir. Exactly. 001. Next one is what exactly? 001. Where are all Vijayawada is available? What we need to provide? 001 is available. Am I right or not? Good. Now do one more thing. Let me just try to print X also. What is the order we have provided actually? Sir, talk with me. What is the order we have provided? Area, Gudivada, Guntur, Vijayawada. Right, good. Now I'm planning for model dot predict. Model dot what exactly predict actually? Get ready. I'm planning for 2400. 2400 actually. Now here Gudivada location. What location actually? Gudivada. Now you tell me what I need to provide here. When I say Gudivada, what I need to provide here actually? 100 I need to provide. Did you understand? Why 100? Because for the Guduvada, what is the code actually? 100 100 100. Can I get a response? Yeah, instead of Guduvada, can I provide directly like this first of all? ML algorithm will cry. Means with what you trained actually. You have trained with the one hot encoding value. What you trained actually? One hot encoding value. I would like to say this is invalid. Then what is a valid actually? Model dot predict of tell me 2400 comma 1 comma 0 comma 0. That's it. This is good order position. What is the visual order position? 001. Very good. Let me do this prediction. First of all, understand like this. Fit we are done, and let me do for prediction. Step number 7, model prediction. Am I going speed actually? By this time you should understand, sir. Even if I'm going speed, it's easy for you. What happened? Oh, good, good, very good. Now just try to come here. Result actually. Let me just try to print result. Let me just try to print what exactly result. Let me tell you, written is a keyword. Written keyword will work with function and will work with method also. I'm repeating again. Written is a keyword. Written keyword, it can apply and function, and we can apply and what exactly method. Both are valid actually. Okay. You need to do small R&D, sir, over Python. Warning. Come here. You can just try to apply here actually. Values. That's called prediction, man. All right. I hope you understand. The motto will be, if you understand this step, we are done with the discussion. We are done with the discussion. This step here, it is, we are involving feature engineering. What is involving? Feature engineering. Good. So my small suggestion to everyone. Suggestion to everyone. Everyone, what is my suggestion? It's a right time. First point, select one domain. Select what exactly? If you don't know what is domain, I can help you. Do let me know. When I say domain, the first one, e-commerce domain. What is a domain? E-commerce domain. Second one, telecom domain. Telecom domain actually. Third one, any idea? Banking domain. Fourth one, insurance domain. Fifth one, healthcare domain. Healthcare domain actually. Then what you need to do, assuming that one of the student, he learnt e-commerce domain. What he learnt actually? E-commerce domain. Over this e-commerce, how to apply simple linear regression. How to apply what exactly? Simple linear regression. This example you need to grab from Kaggle. You need to grab from what exactly? Conclusion of the story. Tomorrow, if you join in Amazon company, then Amazon is a e-commerce domain. Amazon is what exactly? E-commerce domain. In e-commerce domain, how they are working with the simple linear regression, you will understand. This example you can get from Kaggle. Sir, in Kaggle is the beautiful place. Seems to be open source only. You need to jump and you need to work actually. That way, how to take personal initiation. I can suggest you. Assuming that tomorrow you join in some Airtel company. Airtel also having kind of some software company actually. His Airtel, they, one more come again. Come again. Yeah, Geo also having the software company. Yeah, how to apply simple linear regression on which domain actually? Talk with me. Telecom domain. Let me tell you why you need to understand. Let me tell you. Here the data is a different. Still simple linear regression will work. Here the data is different. The simple linear regression will work actually. Algorithm is the same. Irrespective of the data, it works very well. That's what you need to understand. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you want, let me show you. Assuming that you joined in one of the good company name is a HSBC, one of the top banking sectors, sir. When you're working in a HSBC, especially, assuming that here you're working with kind of some Geo. Next one, if you join in Amazon company, if you join in which company? Amazon company. What I'm trying to say is choose one domain. Which one is your favorite domain that you can choose actually? I can help you. Domain specific examples you need to try. You need to implement. Which example, sir? Domain specific example. One more time. Example. I have a special material for this one. When I say e-commerce actually, we have a lot of examples, boss. Lot of examples. Slowly by slowly you will adopt actually. This is the e-commerce domain. Let me open this one. These are all real-time scenarios, including code actually. Maybe during end of the ML I can share, but in between I can help you. This is the this is the index. When I say e-commerce project, come on, look at me. Interesting. Assuming that you got a job in Amazon. You got a job in what exactly? Amazon. Sir, first of all, understand, when I say the building group of rooms, can I say that one? When I say the building group of rooms, same thing like that. When I say the project, actually, group of requirements. Group of what exactly? Yeah, the first requirement is the customer segmentation. Requirement number one, scenario number one, task number one. Second requirement is what exactly? Product recommendation. Third requirement is a sentiment analysis. Fourth requirement is a purchase. These are all requirements. Being a data scientist, minimum 2 to 3 requirements you need to work actually. How many requirements? 2 to 3. You should be master. Why? Because when I say Amazon or else e-commerce data set, don't be show your heroism. I only worked in all scenarios actually. No, 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 no. If you tell during interview you only worked actually, they will give data architect role. What roles are? Gone case actually. Ensure that you should know how to talk, what to talk actually. Yes, of course, by preparing all these scenarios, you can tell I only implemented Amazon project actually. Company people will believe, but they will give the role according to that actual. You need to be frank. I have implemented 5 to 6 scenarios, 2 to 3 scenarios. Over that scenarios, they will ask a question. Tell me what scenario worked actually. That scenario you need to learn from here. I'm sorry. Are you getting what I'm talking? Good. Hold on. I will share this material, not immediately. Which domain? Question is for me only, sir. Which domain is the best actually? Okay. Okay. It's okay. Let me suggest you. Good. Which domain is the easy to learn actually? I can suggest always e-commerce is the very easy, sir. E-commerce is what exactly? Very easy. And banking also very easy. Banking also what exactly? Very easy. Previous batch there are BPC students. There are what exactly? BPC students. What domain they have chosen? Healthcare actually. What exactly they have chosen? Healthcare domain actually. Then in healthcare they went into Kaggle. Man, trust me, frankly speaking, they worked with the scenario and they're able to implement actually. Why? Because they're from BPC, right? They know the terminology. When they were explaining, sir, I have implemented this project from the Kaggle, I literally feel amazing. One more student, in that student told, I done graduation in forensic department. What department? Forensic or something like that. What is ఏమంటుందండి? Come again? Oh, by B pharmacy. Okay, B forms, M forms, something like that actually. During that domain also we do have a projects actually. Let me show you. Instead of discussing these are all things. Conclusion of the story, select one domain. If you don't know what domain you need to select, you can, don't worry, I can help you. Go to the Kaggle, search here. Linear regression. Linear what exactly? Regression. What domain actually? Talk with me. E-commerce. Very good. E-commerce. Like this, you need to search the example. Algorithm name and domain name. Just try to see. I don't know. It is crying. Hold on. Linear regression. Yeah, sir. How many scenarios? 466 scenarios actually. And then now click on Python. Click on what exactly? Python. 385 scenarios. What scenarios? All these 385 examples are belongs to linear regression example. What is example? If you want few more effective way, I can help you. Let me show you how to search in effective way. Now click on code. Open Kaggle first. Click on code. In our company, once the training is done with the juniors actually, we will ask to the junior, go and work with the Kaggle data sets. Go and work with what exactly? Kaggle data set. Every day, one requirement they need to implement and they need to show. Like this, they will do minimum 2 weeks actually. They will get a vibes, how to work, what to work actually. Can I get a response? Good. Click on code. Now here also you can search actually. Here also you can search. Yeah, linear regression e-commerce. What you can search, sir? Linear regression e-commerce actually. Here on an average 51 scenarios. Click on Python. But here 100 plus scenarios you can search actually. Hotness. I need most words. Which one I need actually? Most words. Sir, regarding linear regression e-commerce, how many scenarios actually? 100 plus scenario. It's after 100 also you can see a lot of scenarios actually. Did you understand? Good. And this is the e-commerce. Talk with me one more domain. Banking, very good. Banking domain. Sir, your keywords, yeah, here also you can find out 100 scenarios. Many scenarios you can find out. Tell me one more thing. Healthcare domain, yeah, insurance domain, healthcare domain actually. Just try to say, lot of scenarios you can find. Conclusion of the story, up to you only. Everywhere 100, 100, 100. You are saying, am I right or not, sir? So conclusion of the story, you no need to work with 100 scenarios. Trust me. You no need to work with 100 scenarios. Select 2 to 3 examples. Work thoroughly. Every day, work thoroughly. In real time, we are doing same thing, sir. First, to be strong in Kaggle. Be strong in what exactly? Kaggle. Later, you will understand what is real time. Nothing is there. If you are comfortable with the Kaggle, trust me, you can guide the data scientist. You can guide to whom actually? Data scientist. Trust me. I'm sure on this one. I'm closing the discussion. Did you understand? This is the best practice. I'm sorry. I'm not getting a time. I can share with the links actually, but you take the initiation like this. Come on. Panda CDA project, EDA, e-commerce project. What project actually? E-commerce project. Just try to say, sir, lot of scenarios, sir. Lot of scenarios actually. EDA, data visualization, EDA actually. Did you remember what is the meaning of EDA? Tell me. Exploratory data analysis. I hope you understand. Otherwise, hey Daniel, I need specific scenario, Daniel. Let me take. Hold on. Pandas, I like a group by topic actually. Group by e-commerce domain. What domain actually? E-commerce domain. This is seriously amazing, sir. Specific topic wise also you can search the example. Which one actually? Pandas group by e-commerce. Now tell me one more topic in pandas. Pandas, concat. What is the topic actually? Concat, e-commerce. Concatenation. How many scenarios? 42 examples actually. Like in a pandas, what are all topics would you have? You can search actually. Hey Daniel, I like shape actually. What is that one? Shape or head method. What method? Head method actually in a e-commerce. Sir, I will cry, sir. Head is a method you can work for any domain actually. I'm closing the discussion. Please work with the Kaggle. Work with what exactly? Kaggle. I'm sure here and there. It's the right time. You need to spend more time with the Kaggle. Let me tell you. One of our learner, what learner is telling, Array Daniel, actually I'm doing the same. Good. Now let me tell you. Who is doing actually talk with me? Sirisha. She's having 10 plus years of experience. How many years of experience actually? 10 plus years of experience. Her domain is a .NET. Her domain is what exactly? .NET. See, real-time employees, they're learning data science. They know where they can grab the real-time example. Madam, understand Kaggle examples all are real-time actually. Trust me, I know every one of your profile. I know every one of your profile. Am I right or not? Conclusion of the story, work with the Kaggle. Work with what exactly? Kaggle actually. Keep in mind that. All right, let's move to the discussion. And we done with the example previously. Do workout. These are all things. It's a kind of some prediction. Model dot fit actually. Model dot predict. Sir, it's important. Let's move to the discussion. Please focus. It's important. Good. Did you remember my father example? It's a right time I need to ask you. It's a right time I need to ask you. When I say my father example, talk with me. What is the motto actually? To train, train to recognize. To what exactly? Recognize. To recognize cat and dog. Cat and what exactly, sir? Dog. Daniel, my father wanted to train to Daniel to recognize cat and dog actually. Then he have taken images. I would like to say data. How many images? 100 images. Then he split the data. What he done actually? Splitting the data. What is the ratio? Very good. 70 and what exactly? 30 ratio actually. 70 exams belongs to training. 30 images belongs to testing. Sir, now tell me how simple this example. Literally this example helping. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now, assuming that with 70 images, now this is important to understand what is a score actually. Simply, I cannot cover any topic actually. If you wanted to understand what is a score, you have to remind this example. Assuming that my father training is done, sir. Training is accomplished actually. Finished. It is finished. It is finished. Done. Training is done. After training, what is the next step? Testing started, sir. In testing, what exactly happened, out of 30, I got a 27. I got what exactly? 27 actually. Now I can rate myself out of 100, out of 100, 97% guarantee. How much guarantee? 97% guarantee. Something like that, I can say. Am I right or not? Good. Assuming that my father have taken total 100 images. How many images actually? Total 100 images for testing purpose. What purpose, sir? Testing purpose. Then out of 100, I given nice answer 92. Then what is my score actually? 92%. What is my score? 92%. Conclusion of the story, we created a model. We created what exactly? Model like a Daniel. It's a right time. We need to check the score, how capable it is, how trained well, how well trained actually. If you wanted to understand how the model is really good, then nothing is there. I'm going to ask one question actually. Talk with me. Do you think it is function? What is that one? How can you say? That's it, bus. You just need to provide score of x comma y actually. Then here you will get 0.95. What you are going to get, sir? 0.95. This is something like 95%. The model can give a guarantee. Give me any input actually. Give me what exactly? Any input. 95% it will give the right answer. 95% it will give what exactly? Right answer. And here we need to call it what exactly? Method. What is that method name, sir? Score actually. Checking the score. You may ask a question. Hello, Daniel. Sometimes the score can be less actually. Sometimes the score can be what exactly? Lesser. During that time, what we need to do? Very simple, sir. During that time, what we need to do, During that time, one more topic will come. The topic name is called as a lasso regression and ridge regression. What regression? Lasso and ridge regression actually. Just try to say what is the score level? 95 is the score actually. Are you with me? Good. Now I have a question for you. I would like to say model is an object. Model is what exactly? Object. Tell me what are all methods we call actually. First one is a very good fit method. Second one, fit method for nice. And the fit method parameters x comma y. Next method name is a come again. Model dot predict. Predict method. Purpose is prediction. Model dot score. Two parameters p1 comma p2. Purpose is to get the score. To get what exactly? To check the score, man. To check what exactly? Score. Now here you may ask a question. Hello, Daniel. Yeah. Started, sir. You may, thank you. You may ask a question, Daniel. Here it is not a 95. Assuming that the score is 30 or 35. Assuming that score is what exactly? 30 or 35. Here your model trained very well. But if the score is 35, your model trained very worst actually. Then during that time, we need to go for another algorithm. I will tell you. Step by step, I can tell you actually. Now, during this discussion, I need to discuss one point actually. The topic name is a overfitting and underfitting topic. What topic? Under topic. Overfitting and what exactly? Underfitting. Yeah, good. These are all I can cover slowly by slowly. Don't worry. Please follow the session nicely. What is the unique domain? Unique domain is airlines domain. What domain? The terminals is a quite difficult and bit different actually. But in your resume, if you added airlines domain, your profile is the unique profile. And you can add, I worked with one client actually. Client name is called as a Boeing. When I was in Bangalore, Boeing client, Boeing. Boeing. Arey man, if you add any project actually, amazing. I'm sure in a first interview itself you will get a job actually. So airline projects you can get from Kaggle. Airline projects you can get from what exactly? Terminology is quite different. When I say domain, airlines domain, you need to spend 1 or 2 days. What is a airlines? How the data science is working in airlines? These are all things actually. What scenario I worked, when I was working in a Boeing. Can I share? Sir, let me tell you. Let us take this table actually. Let us take what exactly? This table. That table have a lifetime. Table have what exactly? Lifetime. On an average, I would like to say 30 years. How many years actually? Assuming that. That table bought 10 years back actually. Same thing like that. Let us take a aeroplane. What is that one? Aeroplane. When I say aeroplane, let us take a tires actually. What is that one, sir? Tire. I hope by using the tires it will land and it will up and down actually, something like that. The tire having lifetime. Do you think lifetime is a 30 years, 40 years actually? No, no, sir. That we need to predict. What is the tire condition? What is the engine condition? What is the fuel condition? You need to predict. Get ready. This is exactly, there is a scenario, sir, that I wanted to tell you. That keyword is not coming. A long back I worked actually in the year of 2017. I worked with the Boeing client actually. Ultimately, for every in and out, assuming that once in and out actually, every time they will connect with one machine and they will check the data visualization actually. What is the ratio? How much ratio? The thickness of the tire actually. What is the spare part? Is there any problem? These are all sir. If it is a cycle is the problem when you are going, that is okay. But aeroplane is the problem means what exactly happened? Katam. I'm sorry for saying. Did you understand? Bye bye. Gaya. Something like this actually. So conclusion. That's what they will take more precautions. They will take what exactly? Boeing company maintaining separate data scientist. They will maintain separate data sciences actually. And one of the those days, the competitor is the airlines. No, I'm sorry, sir. Not airlines. Airbus actually. Airbus. That is a competitor. Flight cancellation also we can predict. Ticket cancellation, yeah, these are all normal use cases. Flight cancellation, ticket cancellation, these are all normal use cases actually. I mean to say that, trust me, data science is using in every domain, man. Every domain it is using actually. Okay. Yeah. Boeing and Airbus actually. Boeing and Airbus. Boeing is a good company, sir. If anyone is interested, do let me know. But you need to do small groundwork. You need to understand airlines domain. But once you understand, during interview, the one who is taking interview, he don't know about the airlines actually. You are the hero. You need to explain. He will just listen actually. But if you go for e-commerce actually, that end user may know some e-commerce actually, and what you are telling, maybe chances some counter questions. That's what, choose always some unique domain. When I say unique domain, do some groundwork. When I say banking, go to the YouTube, go to the Google. Or else the best example will be, now here you can use, what is that one? Yeah, chat GPT. Somebody told actually, I need banking domain description. Go to for chat GPT. Chat GPT will explain nicely. It will explain nicely. All right, let's move to the discussion. And I hope it is helping my discussion actually. Let us move on, sir. Doing prediction for Guntur. Doing prediction for this, what exactly, sir? Gudwada location. What is the Gudwada location? 100. That's it. You understand about the dummy variable topic, I'm sure. Now, next move on. Cost function. Let me cover classification. Then I can enter into the cost function. Can I close this one? Tell me, sir. Yeah. Otherwise, let me go with an order. I'm targeting all algorithms in one shot actually. That's what I'm. Sir, give me 1 minute, please. Online team, hold on, sir. Yeah, more to the machine learning. I'm sure we done these are all. This is pending. cost function, regression, cost function, dummy variable. Online team, hold on, sir. All right, sir. We have enough time actually. Good time. Let me short the discussion. Good. Get ready. What is the topic name? Cost function. Sir, important. Without this one, there is no interview. You are thinking everything you are saying same actually. These are all important, man. What I need to say then. Good. You should focus on this topic. Topic name is a cost function. Good. Let me tell you. First of all, cost function topic name is called also called as a. These are all terminology. Yeah, I would like to say this is the running topic. These two topics take minimum 2 days time actually. It's a right time. I need to continue. Sir, first of all, did you remember cost is also called as a any idea? Error actually. Cost is also called as what exactly? Error. One more definition. Did anyone remember? During math, I covered one point actually. What is the point? You know, the difference between actual value and predicted value is called as a come again. Exactly, residual. What is that one? Residual. Cost means also called as a error. Also called as what exactly? Residual. These are all keywords actually. Now keep in mind that I will tell you. These are all points. Slowly by slowly, I can tell you. Let me just try to hold on. Let me help you with the flow. Yeah, let me help you with the flow actually. Cost function, error function, these are all very common actually. ML flow, please follow the session nicely. ML flow. Tell me ML flow. I'm not asking steps actually. I'm asking ML flow. Tell me, sir. Tell me what is the first one? Very good. Next one is a data frame. Data frame. Here onwards, I need FE also. I need what exactly? FE. FE means feature engineering. Next one is a array. FE if required. FE means what exactly? If required. But in real time, damn sure we are using. Handling missing value. These are all things actually. What is the next one? What is the next one, sir? Machine learning algorithm. Machine learning, what exactly? Algorithm actually. Sir, machine learning algorithm backend it depend upon one topic. Topic name is called as a cost function. Topic name is called as what exactly? Cost function. I am repeating one more time. You need to understand the flow. When I say cost function, this is belongs to ML. When I say feature engineering, this one will come in between data frame and array. Most of the students are missing these points actually. When somebody say data frame, you need to understand data frame topic will come in between data and FE. But during pandas, I didn't cover. It's a right time you need to understand. When I say machine learning, that is the last step, sir. But initially, 70% discussion is data, data frame, FE, array. These are all stuff actually, data preparation. Good. ML algorithm backend is what exactly, sir? Cost function. Talk with me. Cost function. Cost function backend is one topic. The topic name is a gradient descent algorithm. What algorithm actually? Gradient descent algorithm. Conclusion of the story, machine learning algorithm depending upon another topic. The topic name is called as what exactly? Gradient descent algorithm. Gradient descent algorithm backbone is the cost function. Backbone is what exactly? Cost function. Are you with me? Good. Now it's a right time I need to tell what is a cost function. It's a right time I need to tell what exactly? What is a cost function? Are you getting your one? I'm repeating every time. I'm repeating one more time. Sir, let us take a simple linear regression. What regression? Simple linear regression algorithm we already worked actually. But let me tell you, simple linear regression backend depend upon one more algorithm. That algorithm name is called as a gradient descent algorithm. Now you need to ask a question, why? What is the reason? Why simple linear regression asking help to the gradient descent algorithm? Why GDA asking help to what exactly? Cost function. Do you want it to understand? Yeah, let me just try to continue. Right. Thank you, sir. Online team, just hold on, sir. Yeah, please focus on this one. Let us just try to make you to understand. Yeah, talk with me. First of all, in a ML algorithms actually, when I say ML algorithms, talk with me. There are mainly, let us take a supervised algorithm. Supervised, unsupervised. Next one is what exactly? Reinforcement learning. When I say supervised, there are mainly two things, sir. There are mainly how many things actually? Two things. First one is a, yeah, why everyone is not telling? First one is, second one is classification. I'm repeating one more time. When I'm talking about the supervised learning algorithm, it is divided into two types. First one is a regression. Second one is, sir, regression having separate, separate class, separate cost functions, and a classification also having what exactly? Separate cost function. Both are having the different cost functions actually. What is a cost function? I can cover step by step. First, think logically. When I say regression, regression algorithms would you have? Regression cost functions would you have? When I say classification, classification algorithms would you have? Classification what exactly? Cost functions also would you have? Are you with me? Good. Now the today discussion will be regression cost function. What discussion actually? Regression cost function. It's a very simple. There are mainly three cost functions actually. I will tell you. The first one is MSc. First one is what exactly? MSc. Do you think MS means Master in Science actually? No, it is called as a mean squared error. One more time. Last time. Second one is MAE. What is the second one, sir? Mean absolute error. Everyone, mean absolute error. Good. And the third one will be, let us make it, this one is the second one so that it is very easy for you to understand. Sir, take the same thing and you can add one R word actually, RMSC. The third one is what exactly? Talk with me. RMSC means root mean squared error. What exactly? Root mean squared error. Good. Can somebody read everyone? There are mainly three regression cost functions would we have. How many? Three regression cost functions. First one is a MAE, mean absolute error. I will tell you. Next one is a mean squared error. Next one is RMSC. RMSC means what exactly? Root mean squared error. Hello, Daniel. First of all, please explain what is a cost function. Yeah, I'm entering into the discussion. I have given a small kick introduction actually till now. Are you with me? Are you getting everyone what I'm saying actually? Good. Let's continue. Let me open the material. Good. Sir, important. Please focus. Cost function is also called as a loss function. Cost function also having another name. That name is called as what exactly? Loss function also you can say in machine learning. These are optimization techniques. This point I can explain on an average some 15 minutes actually. I will explain now itself only. I'm repeating again. When I say cost function also having another name. What is that name, sir? Loss function actually. Back end, these are what exactly, sir? Optimization techniques. Read everyone. Optimization technique. That point you need to understand. What do you mean by optimization actually? Arati, both are different, and I will continue the session. Kindly please follow the session. You will understand slowly by slowly. Don't get it confused. First point you need to understand. What is the first point? These are optimization techniques. These are what exactly, sir? Optimization techniques. To understand what is a cost function, I just need to explain about one fun example, man. Definitely, I need to explain one fun example actually. Are you ready? Are you ready? Good. Let me explain one fun example. Sir, in my childhood, what exactly happened? Let me explain in my childhood. In my childhood, we have around three members. First person name is Keshava. Second one is Nirikshan. Third one is Naresh actually. Naresh, my cousin brother, but anyway, let me take Vasu. Let me take what exactly? Vasu actually. Good. Uh, during break, during what exactly? Session to session, after two sessions, we do have a break. I'm from what exactly I can say? Government schools actually. Exactly 11:30. I still remember. We do have a break. During this break period, what is my main role? Sir, near to school there are mango trees. Near to school, what exactly? Mango trees. నేరేడు చెట్టు ఏమంటాం? I don't know exactly in English. నేరేడు చెట్టు. Don't you know black grapes, man? Not black grapes, sir. మినులు అంటాం. It's okay. There are some fruit trees, near to school actually. What exactly happened, please focus on this. Assuming that there is a tree, let me just try to take a small tree actually. I know this is not a tree diagram, but please focus on this one. Assuming that a tree diagram I'm taking, and here we do have some fruits here. Assuming that here is the fruit number one, this is the fruit actually. Assuming that, now please focus on this. Person number one, person number two, person number three. How many persons actually? Three persons. Good. Please focus on this one. Assuming that this is the Nirikshan, first person. Nirikshan means Daniel. And next one is the Vasu. Vasu, or which names I told? Keshava. And what is the next person, sir? Vasu. Very good. First, sorry. First option, I got it actually. And this Keshava and Vasu, they discussed something. Let us give chance to whom actually? Narration. Good. Sir, I have taken a small stone. I have taken what exactly? Small stone I have taken. I throw this stone, sir. When I throw this stone, the stone went to this direction actually. The stone went to what exactly? This direction. Can I get a mango? No. Yeah, good. What you need to understand, Yeah, see, think logically. Our brain will apply some math calculations, frankly speaking. To apply that math calculation, scale is not required. When I throw the first attempt, what exactly happened, Yeah, I would like to say first attempt, sir. First of all, first attempt literally failed actually. First of all, literally what exactly? Failed. But from the first attempt, I understand, I thrown the stone almost, it is what exactly? Some 60 kilometer per hour actually. Assuming that. Kilometer, kph, kilometer per hour actually. And second one will be angle. Angle, I would like to say, what is angle, sir? Can somebody talk with me? Let me tell 130 angle. What is angle, sir? Of course, in first attempt I failed actually, but from that first attempt I got some information. I got what exactly? Some information. Then, Keshav was telling, try one more time. Then I have taken a stone actually. Do you think I will throw the stone towards to this direction actually? Then I will be mad guy. Am I right or not, sir? Then previously what force I applied, what angle I applied, I need to change the direction. I need to reduce my speed actually. Then second attempt I thrown like this, sir. Second attempt, what exactly? I thrown like this. Now let me repeat one more time. Second attempt also, talk with me. Second attempt also, what exactly happened? Failed. Very good. But from that fail, I understand. Now speed, I have somewhat reduced actually 45. What is that one, sir? 45. Angle is what exactly? I have reduced almost. Let me tell you 90. Hey, come on. Don't be serious. That is not a 90 degrees. I know very well. But first attempt I failed. Second attempt I failed actually. Sir, Keshav is telling, throw final time actually. Last option we are giving. If you are not hitting the mango, then we'll take the option actually. We'll take the option. Now I have taken a stone. I have taken what exactly? Stone. Now what exactly happened, sir? This time I got hit the mango actually. This time I got what exactly? Hit the mango. Now think logically. Third attempt. Talk with me. Third attempt, what exactly? Success. What is the speed, Yeah, sure, sir. 30 kilometers. Angle will be 70, 75, something like this. Now you tell me, do you think here I failed actually, but I got a one information? Here also I failed. Here also what exactly I failed? I got one information actually. Finally, let me tell you, because of my failure only, I got what exactly, sir? Success. This is called as a optimization technique. This is called as what exactly? What do you mean by optimization? What to increase, what to decrease. Hey, there is a Pawan Kalyan dialogue. What is that dialogue actually? That is called as optimization dialogue actually. How many of you don't know Telugu? How many of you don't know Telugu? Actually, raise your hand. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. This is called as what exactly, sir? Machine learning also will apply same technique in the backend. Machine learning algorithm so machine learning algorithm also first time it will do the prediction. The prediction goes wrong. It will check it. Array boss, my prediction is like this, and it will ask cost function. Assuming that this is the cost function will do the calculation. ML algorithm will give the prediction value. Cost function will tell prediction is wrong. Then ML algorithm will do the second attempt actual. Cost function will tell, Arey boss, you're almost very near. Come on, do trial one more time actual. Like this indirectly for ML algorithm backend, who is helping actually? Cost function is helping. Now let me tell you. Can I say this we applied with my brain actually? For ML algorithm, the brain is the cost function. For ML algorithm, the guidance, the light is what exactly, sir? Cost function. Did you understand? Yeah. This is what exactly, this is called as a optimization. This is called as what exactly? Let me take one more example. Let me take one more example. What do you mean by optimization technique? To understand this one, sir, please listen the session. I have joined in MCA, sir, in the year of 2007. In the year of 2007, actually. Generally, I done my BSc. This is not important for you, 2006. And I have 1 year gap in between. 1 year gap, actually. 1 year gap. In this between gap, I worked in a company. That company name is called as a Divis. I worked in one company. That company name is called as a Divis actually as a chemist. As what exactly, sir? Chemist actually. In between almost 9 months, I worked. Sir, literally, I have seen what is life actually. Almost 8 months I worked. Per month they will give 8 to 9,000 salary. That too, that is a chemical lab. Do you know about the Divis lab? Don't you know? It is okay. Like otherwise, Arabindo Pharma, something like this. If you don't know, that is okay. Not interview discussion. Near to here only, Choutapal location, there is a Divis lab, and there medicine discovery. There, in that company, especially, there is a small drug actually. Drug means not the drugs, sir. Kind of some medicine actually. Medicine creation, medicine implementation. Sir, let me tell you, almost 8 to 9 months I worked actually. I have seen what is a life, man. Like I literally I done such a work like every day end of the job I used to pray to God. God, I don't want this job like that actually. Hell lot of work, man. Seriously speaking, especially there are mainly three roles actually: QA, QC, chemist, production. These three roles would have actually. Are you getting? Then my God, God listen my prayer. What exactly happened, sir? Can I explain this explanation? Do you think I'm going out of discussion actually?